I'd like to give you a quick guide for quantum affirmations. Step 1, identify your goal. Step 2, get in touch with your history about your goal. You might find out that the question that you really want to ask and the goal you really want to attain is not the one you started out with. Step 3 is to identify a gift, something that flows to you effortlessly and endlessly, something that you never question, something that you do so well that you feel so good about that your heart feels open. In step 4, we apply our gift to our goal. So you take this wonderful thing that you do, something that you never worry about and that opens your heart, something that you really enjoy, and you imagine that when you do that thing, you attain your goal. Out there in the infinite number of probable futures is the future that you want to attain. How do you tell your subconscious mind? How do you tell the universe where you want to go? You somehow have to do it in a way that makes you feel comfortable with that future. Because if you're not comfortable with it, you won't get there. You'll derail yourself every time. So we take that wonderful feeling of the open heart that comes with your gift, that which flows to you effortlessly and endlessly, and we entangle it, what they call quantum entanglement, where you're blending your gift with your goal, requires that in the morning when you wake up, and in the evening just before you go to sleep, you close your eyes and you see in your mind's eye you doing the thing that you do so well, and the result of you doing that thing being the attaining of your goal, the future that you want to see. And that's why we talk about step 4 being the blending of the gift and the goal. Step 5 we call quantumplation. In step 5 you've been doing step 4, the blending of your gift and your goal, for about a week. You've been doing it before you get out of bed and before you go to sleep. You might be seeing some shifts already in your life. You might see some movement towards your goal, or you might not. It doesn't really matter, because step 5, quantumplation, is where the magic happens. When you get into the history of the word contemplation, you find that what it means is setting up a space, a place where you are going to do an augury, where you're going to predict the future. So what we're going to do with step 5 is take everything that we've done and turn it into a quantumplation, a visualization in your mind's eye, where you're going to blend everything together and identify the future that you want to attain. When you do quantum affirmations, you see it, you say it, you feel it, and you make it real.